Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic white tin loaf, but let's begin. Firstly, you'll want to get your loaf pan and just brush it with some oil. Then place your parchment tin and set aside until you need it. Go ahead and grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give it a good mix just to incorporate the two. You can then go ahead and add in the butter, the yeast and the water. You will then want to mix this on a low-medium speed just until a clear dough forms, and when I say clear, it should near enough clean the bowl, and that's when you know that your dough is ready and perfectly done. You can then go ahead and flour your surface with some bread flour and place it onto it and just give it a brief knead until it's smooth and elasticated. And once you've achieved that, you can bring it back into a ball shape and place it into a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with some cling film, or like what I had to, a sandwich bag which has been cut in half, and just cover it until the dough has doubled in size. So once the dough has doubled in size, you can then flour your work surface again and just place the dough onto it and knock it back. This is the process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. Bring it back into a ball shape by folding it in on itself and doing that kind of action that I'm doing on screen right now. And once you've got the oblong shape, you can then mould it so it's more uniform all over, and then grab your loaf tin that you prepared earlier on and just place the bread directly into it. You can then go ahead and cover with cling film or a sandwich bag and leave to proof for the second time. So here is what the dough looks like after the second proof, and once you've done that, you can just take the cling film off and place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. All of that information will be over on baconwithelliott.com, and there'll be a link to this recipe in the description down below. So once your bread has been fully baked and cooled down, you can then start to slice it up, and you can cut it as thinly or as thickly as you like, but I went with quite thick, literally doorstopper, and here's what it looks like on the inside. That's the end piece. You're always better to go in the middle as the end piece. Who really eats the end piece of bread? So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again on Thursday with a confectionery video, so join me then. And then back next week with some more recipes for you. So in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out my blog and all my social medias. All of that will be linked in the description down below. But yeah, until next time, bye guys.